Hi, this is Carole Conlon. In today's Mastering Your Body series, we're going to look at the topic of setting strong boundaries. What is a boundary? It's that division line between what you control and what's out of your control. And in order to be a healthy healer, have a long-term career, it's very important to set strong boundaries. I had a bit of a problem. I get calls from around the world every day of the week. And after so many years that I'm tearing my hair out, I need some time off, not to be answering phone calls from people. As much as the healer inside me knows I want to, I want to help. So I set up the boundary, no work on Sunday. I won't answer the phone. And I still get calls on Sunday. What boundary is working though is what I can control is whether I answer the phone or even turn on my phone that day, which a lot of times I don't. Setting a strong boundary, it's a very important thing, and it's hard to do emotionally, physically, financially, time-wise. You need to know what your boundaries are. Make sure your clients know what they are, and then enforce them. If in business, there's a little story about who's got the monkeys. And the idea is that the employee comes in with this basket full of monkeys, their problems, and they hand them to the supervisor who talks about them, helps out as much as he can or he or she can. The important part of the story is that at the end of that conference, all those monkeys are collected, they're in the basket, and they're handed back to the employee. And you need to do that same thing with your clients. They have a responsibility as well. Set up your boundaries and keep them strong, and you will be a stronger healer for it, and you'll last longer. So that is my tip today, setting strong boundaries. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button and leave comment or questions. We'll get back to you on our next one.